How to add grain effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, open the Premiere Pro and adjust the clip. Then go to the effects and search Noise HLS Auto. Apply on whole video. Then go to the Option Effect Control and change Settings Uniform into Grain. And then increase brightness into 20%. And that's it. Render the video. And see how aesthetic looks of your video is. That's how add grain effect in Premiere Pro. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.